Hey, this is Art again, and in this video I wanted to talk to you a little bit about FlipMagic, the whole formula, who is it for and how does it work. FlipMagic is a super simple flipping formula anyone can use to see results tomorrow, make sales by tomorrow. There's no experience needed, no money needed, no investments up front. You won't be dealing with websites or generating traffic, none of it. And what's super exciting is that FlipMagic is a formula updated for 2019, 2020 and for the years to come. So big online platforms have changed the rules when it comes to arbitrage and flipping. So maybe if you even own a course about arbitrage or flipping, it probably doesn't work anymore. The way we do it works perfectly right now, and it will work perfect for the years to come. And in a nutshell, what you're going to be doing is you will become the middleman. So you will be cashing in on price differences anywhere from 500% to 800% per product. So again, essentially what you do is you buy low and you sell high. All you do is copy and paste, and it takes 5 minutes per product. What we include inside the members area is extensive video training, a piece of software that automates most of it. You won't be confused or lost at any point. We will walk you through the whole process by the hand. We will show you where to click, where to go, and exactly how to make sales by this time tomorrow, because yes, it is possible to see results in the first 24 hours. A part of the video training and software, we are also including a bunch of bonuses. So you're essentially getting a business in a box, everything you need to succeed and see results by tomorrow, even if you are a complete newbie, even if you are totally new to this concept of making money online. So we can't promise anything, but this works for us. We made thousands of dollars this way, and you can copy the whole process very easily, and it's also scalable. So we can't wait to see you on the inside in the members area. See you there.